You know what we're doing. Just got this on my birthday. It's a Kicker 10-inch focus. No damages. Returned, open box. I got my screwdriver opening totally an effective tool. So, oh wait, it's in a box! Oh my god, I thought it wasn't in the box. Okay. Sorry for the bad camera angle. I am very sorry about that. I always do it because I'm too focused on what I'm doing instead of camera work. I'm gonna put my phone down. Oh, here's my new RC car, by the way. Got it for my birthday, and there's a Federal Signal driver that I unboxed. Whew. You know, that's it. Actually, no, I have this. I can use this. Cut it. There. Sorry, guys. Oh, Kicker. Oh, I can feel it coming out of here. Okay. Okay, my room is a freaking mess. Sorry about this. Hopefully you guys can see me good. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, he's gonna sub. Oh, like that. That works too. Like that, really. Oh. Jeez. You know, I'm just gonna flip it and do one of these. You set you down here. I literally have everything. Ah, dang it. Oh, here she is. 10-inch. 10-inch Kicker comp. Yes. Finally got my hands on a Kicker. Oh, this thing's heavy. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Look at these push terminals? Oh yeah. Hey, look at her. There's push terminals and everything. These are push terminals. Let's take it there. Oh, yes. Oh god, that was... Let's put her way down. Oh, jeez. It's sealed, I think. Oh, no, it's not. It's not sealed. It's boarded. See the port there, I think. Bring exposure up. Okay, at this point I'm just messing with the exposure. Can focus. Focus. Okay, that was just my... Shush! Yeah. There. It's done. Okay. Oh my god. Focus. Whatever. Anyway. Kicker. Comp C. Oh.